So I'm going to enable the false colors, and I highly recommend using the RE false colors because they are easier to use in my personal opinion. So basically everything that's red here on the screen is completely overexposed. So if I want to expose for the sky, for the background, for example, I would reduce the exposure until the red and yellow colors disappear. So I would say somewhere around here. Now I'm properly exposed. Also, I can disable the false colors, check on the monitor if it looks correct to my eyes on both monitors, on the camera and also on the external monitor. And it does look correct to my eyes, even though the metering in here is blinking. I don't really look at the metering, I just look at the screen. It looks correct. Let me enable again false colors. Nothing shows like yellow colors and red colors. So everything is correctly exposed. And I can take the shot basically. And probably right now you can see the shot is extremely bright, but I can reduce the exposure and it's going to look correct without any noise in here. You won't see any noise here in the shadows. It's going to look extremely clean because I basically exposed my footage brighter than necessary right now. And then in post-production, I bring down the exposure and basically that will reduce the noise in the shadows.